Hi guys, it's Matthew again. It's our second strategy for today, 15th of September 2020. Briefly before we move on again, those who haven't purchased our boats, the TOUCHSCALPER automated trading boats, the version 4.0 is out. The September update is out as well. The September 8th update is out. You can see the results right there. Some of the results again is the result on Deriv, you can see, and here are the features of the boats. If you haven't purchased the boats, just visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can make payments using your Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Web Money, bank transfer to our dollar account. So just visit the link here to purchase the boats, and make sure you subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. We are dropping 2 strategies today on this channel, so make sure you watch the strategies. They are all free. We release free strategies regularly on our channels. So this is a link to purchase the boat again. This is a link, www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and this is a link to sign up for a free trading account. Use this link. Just check the link on the video description on YouTube. Make sure you are watching on YouTube. This is the link to our channels again, so subscribe to both channels. Subscribe to the channels here and here. Just check the video description for all this link, so that you can click the link easily. These are the rules for this strategy we are about to drop now. Just to read written tutorials is our forum. You can join our forum freely. Check the binary options section to read written tutorial. Let's get back to the trading. As you can see again, I've logged in. I'm using the Deriv interface right here. So once you logged in, just click on the top left corner and click on Smart Trader as usual. Then you change this to volatility 10 index. You click on it. Just go to synthetic indices. Then you click on volatility 10 index. Then here the trade type, we're going to be doing the stays between in and out. So once you click on it, you're going to be seeing the in and out option here. Is right here. So here these are settings. The duration is 2 minutes. The high barrier offset will be plus 2.82. All these are stated here, and we'll paste it in the video description on YouTube. So just check the YouTube video description. The low barrier offset is minus 1.69. Then let's close this and let's go for our first trade. We are going to be clicking on the stays between. We're working with this, not this. We're going to be clicking on the stays between. So once this is pointing down the edge here, once it's pointing down, we'll be clicking on purchase. We'll be making 20% here, so you can reduce your payout, you can increase it, depends on what you have. You can see it's facing up, the edge here is facing up. I'm talking about the right edge here. Once it's facing down, we'll be clicking on purchase. So let's wait for it to point down. We'll trade 3 times and we'll make about $21. You can see it's facing down there, so we'll view the trades for us to see what is actually going on. So once this thing launched, so this dot means our barrier, and is not visible yet because we are still in between the trade. So when we are close to barrier, you're going to see the line, but we are still in between. So this is our time, this is our remaining time. The time is counting and we are still in between because our barrier is not visible yet. It's not visible. Still in between. We have about 57 seconds left, or 55. You can see our barrier is not visible yet. When you see this dot line, that's when you know if the barrier is visible or not. So it means we are still in between. So we have about 15 seconds left. And we are in between and our barrier is not visible. You can see it's not visible, it's not visible. So as you can see, we've won that trade. Our barrier remains invisible all through. So you can see there's a profit right here. So let's close this and wait for like a minute again and go for the next trade. Remember, we are clicking on stays between and make sure all the settings are correct. Let's get back again to the boat. For those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, it's an automated trading boat. These are the features of the boat. And the boat is regularly updated for more efficient performance, and we send all the updates to all those who have purchased the boat at no cost. And here are some of the results of the boat, the latest version 4.0. Here are some of the results right here. You can increase this buy price to get more profits. Here the instruction on how to increase your buy price is stated here in the folder we will send to you, which includes the boats, the bonus boats, and the previous versions of the boats will be sent to you. So you can see it is a link to purchase the boat again. So let's get back to our trading. Let's go for the second trade right now. Let's go for the second trade. You can see it's facing down. We are working with the edge here. It's facing down. As it's facing down, we'll click on purchase. Facing up there. Let's wait again for it to face down the edge. Okay, face down there. So let's view it. Let's see. Our barrier is not visible yet. Our barrier is not visible yet. So once you see the dot line, you will know when our barrier is visible. Actually, the low barrier was closed. That's why you are seeing the red this thing then. So but it's back again to profit, and we have about 59 seconds left. Are still in green, so let's wait. (41, 40, 39 seconds). Our barrier is still invisible. When you see the dot line, this indicates our barrier. When you see the dot line, is our entry spot. So we still have about 16, 14, 13, 11. It's still green. You can see 5. You can see the barrier came up here, but we are close. We've won the profits, we've won the trade. We can see the barrier line popped up right here. You can see that we've won the profit because we are in between. Let's assume that this thing hits this, that is a loss, but you can see we were in between all through, and there's a profit right there. So let's go ahead and place the final trade for today. Let's just wait for like a minute before we go in again. Okay, so let's go for the last trade right now. So it's pointing down again. We're looking at the edge here, so let's okay, it's down there, so let's go for the last trade. Let's click on the view. Let's see where we actually are now. The reason why you are seeing this red here, actually the barrier is not visible, but this is the entry spot, so it is a bit below the entry spot. So when it's going up, this will change to green and it will change to profit. Okay, as you can see, we are pushing up above the entry spot. That's why that has changed to profit, and we have about 52 seconds, 49. $33 seconds. The movement is a bit sluggish there. It's moving again. So we have about 9 seconds left, and our barrier is invisible. So there we go again. You can see it's profit again. As you can see, we remains in between also the trade, so you can make a lot of money if you watch carefully and you use this strategy as instructed. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Just hit the subscribe button for more upcoming strategies. And the boat, again, for those who haven't purchased it, there's a link to purchase the boat. On these are the features of the boat, and here are some results, some recent results. Is Deriv results. You are seeing more earnings here because we increased the stake, so you can as well do that if you have a lot of money in your accounts to trade. So thanks for watching. Bye.